So as always, let's take a few moments to review everything we learned in this section of the course. In this section, we introduced the Prettier NPM library, which is a library that formats or styles our code. Out of the box, it supports HTML, CSS, JavaScript, JSX, Markdown, and more. And we simply add the dependency to our project, and then we have a wide variety of ways in which we can utilize the library. We can, for example, set up an NPM script to target our relevant project files or folders. We can also use Prettier as an NPX command line utility just to ad hoc style or ad hoc target our specific files if we need a quick format. And as we also saw, we can set up VS Code to automatically run Prettier on file save, which is typically the option that I go for. It's actually kind of fun to see Prettier automatically fix everything as soon as you save the file. It's sort of like a little bit of joy that just hits you just to see how your ugly code is automatically turned into something more elegant and beautiful. And we also introduced some additional pieces of the Prettier ecosystem. For example, the Tailwind CSS Prettier plugin standardizes the order of Tailwind classes for our elements. So that ensures a consistent sorting order for those various utility classes. So Prettier is strictly concerned with style and formatting. It's not a linter like ESLint. It's not concerned with code quality or inefficiency. It's just a standardization for how your code looks. And I tend to add it to just about all of my React projects today. That's all there really is to cover on Prettier and all there is to cover in this section. So I will see you in the next one.